Okay, Assalamualaikum, good morning, selamat pagi semua.
Waalaikumsalam Doktor.
Waalaikumsalam Doktor.
Okay, saya nak keluar balik, saya nak masuk balik link sebab saya tengok sini saya tak boleh record kenapa tu. Ya, saya keluar balik nanti saya masuk kejap dalam 14 minit. Saya nak leave sekejap Jangan saya nak masuk balik.
شباب الدكتور اشقر.
Okay, right. Yang ni okay. Yang ni boleh record. Tadi tak ada record. Okay, right. Boleh record. Okay. Okay, alright. So today Friday. So now week 4. Okay, week 4. One. Yes, week 4. So week 4 we have next week 5, 6, 7. 5, week 7. So 7 we have test 7, and then we tried we have quiz 1 on week 5 sorry, week 6 okay. Now week 4, so next week is week 5. So next we have quiz number 1. So today is okay, week 4, 5, 6. So 23 on 23 November we have quiz number 1. Quiz number 1 cover chapter 2 only. Okay, chapter 2 only. Okay, chapter 2 only. Okay, right. So we next week I give you assignment number 1. Okay, assignment number 1. You can check in our Google Classroom. Okay, Google Classroom. So you can download the question. So you submit in Google Classroom. Okay, assignment number 1, quiz number 1. So test. Now we will try test on 30 November. Okay, 30 November. Okay, we try. So maybe a few students they have clash with other tests. Okay, no problem. We try to we do it. Maybe a few students, maybe 1, 2 or 3 students we do it on next week. Next week. Okay, alright. Next week that mean after test. Okay, after test. Okay, alright. So apa ni? Okay, alright. Okay, I will try upload to you a few question from quiz, from test from test. Question number test.
السلام عليكم دكتور.
Waalaikumsalam.
I have a question.
Yes.
The quiz
Yes.
on the 30 November will be on
30.
chapter 1 and 2 or just chapter 1?
No, quiz only chapter 2.
Okay, thank you.
Chapter 2 only. Chapter 2, so you study all from chapter 2.
Okay. Thank you,
Only
Doctor.
one question. Only one question. So only one question. About 30 minutes. 30 minutes. You quiz only 30 minutes. 30 minit saja. Okay. Doing our class in our class Tuesday, start from 2:30 until maybe 3:15 okay, 3 o'clock or 3:15 we finish okay, we finish quiz. I try upload a few question in Google Classroom for quiz example. Okay, right. So any question? Any question?
Sir, the test will be for chapter 1 and 2, the test, not the quiz.
Oh, test. Actually, chapter 1 only intro. Chapter 1 only intro. So quiz cover chapter 2, chapter 3, and half from chapter 4. Half from chapter 4.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, Cik.
Waalaikumsalam.
Test 30 bulan. Kalau kulis berapa bulan, Cik?
Test macam mana? Test 30 bulan, okay.
Kulis berapa bulan, Cik?
Quiz 23
23.
November.
Okay, alright. Terima kasih.
Waktu kelas waktu kelas kita lah. Waktu kelas. So test during our class Okay. So try to do it. So okay, wait. Okay. We have another more mention. So we have tutorial. Okay, tutorial on. So now week 4. So today we go to chapter 3. So still not finished. Maybe next week 1 hour. Finish chapter 3. And then okay, so tutorial 1. We do it on week sheet Okay, on week sheet tutorial on week number sheet Okay, week number sheet. We have tutorial. Tutorial week number sheet. Maybe the date maybe 25. Okay, sorry, 25. Oh, sorry, 26. 26. The date on 26. Okay, Tutorial number 1. Okay. During our class okay. Tutorial 1. So tutorial 1 I giving you problem Problem we will discuss We will discuss. So from chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay. Tutorial number 1. Just for cover your test for tutorial number 1, just for cover your test Okay. Untuk nak bagi faham lagi okay, faham lagi dalam untuk nak buat test ni. Sebelum kita buat, before we do the test, we do the tutorial, we do the assignment 1, we do the quiz 1. So after that you go to test. Okay. You have confidence okay, you have confidence. Okay, alright. Any question? So if no question, so I proceed class. Okay. So present. Okay, alright. So you can see now. You can see. Boleh nampak tak?
Yes, doctor.
Boleh, boleh.
Oh, okay, alright. Okay, this one. Okay, chapter 3 chapter 3. Okay, you have study chapter 2. Chapter 2 actually you need to determine the resultant. Total force total force. Now from they giving you cable and they giving you force in cable. So you calculate you determine the resultant you determine the total force. Now chapter 3 they giving you cable, and then you must determine how much force in cable. Okay, how much force in cable. Okay, alright. Okay, equilibrium of a particle. So equilibrium that mean balance. Keseimbangan of a particle. So particle that mean everything rigid body we assume particle. Okay, we assume particle. For chapter 3 Chapter 4 moment. Chapter 5 equilibrium of a rigid body. Okay. Chapter 5 you will study equilibrium of a rigid body. Okay. Now particle, and then chapter 5 you study rigid body. Okay. The free body diagram, coplanar force system. Coplanar that mean 18 the force 18 at the same plane. Okay, same plane. Okay, alright. So to the objective, student will be able to draw free body diagram. Yes, that means free body diagram. Apply equation of equilibrium to solve 2D problem. Okay, 2D. Actually, chapter 3 you will study 2D and 3D. Okay, 2D and 3D Okay, chapter 2 you have studied 2D, now 3D, and then 3D. Okay, 3D. So 3D you must understand Okay. Okay, alright. So what you can see here, they have cable, they have hook. As you see in this picture, they have hook here. So they have cable 1, cable 2, cable 3. So how much force in this cable? Okay, how much force in this cable? How much? Why you need to study this one? Why? during you design, you during you engineer, okay, you engineer. So during you design, you design, that mean you need to determine how much the size cable you need to use for this crane, for example, to up this object, okay, the object. So you must determine, uh, if you using small size cable, what happen now? What happen? So break cut, putih. If you using very big cable, what happen now? You using the more energy, more energy. So you need to determine what suitable cable need to use for up this object, for example. Okay, up to this object, how much the, what the size for this cable. So this cable can be cover, can be we call stand the force, orang kata apa, boleh bertahan, boleh bertahan, can cover the weight, can cover weight what you to up, what you to move this object. Okay. Okay, right. So here, so you see what you can see this application. So the crane is lifting a load. So for example, load is we put the load is W. W is weight. So the symbol is W. Word. And then to decide if the strap holding the load to the crane hook will fill. So that mean here, what I see here, they have strap that mean, for example, if you can see like this, okay, like this, like a ring. So they have cable here. So cable here. So cable here. Like this. So this is another cable. Okay. So if we draw free body diagram, so we show it like this. We show it like this. This strap, we assume particle. So this force, this another cable, this cable number 2, this cable number 3. Okay, right. So we assume F1, F2, F3. So this one F. Okay, for example, F4. F4. Okay, right. So from here, you need to know the force in each cable. For how much? You need to know the force in strap. Force in here. Force in here, for example. Okay. How could you find the force? Okay. Actually, for static, you study only how to determine the force only. The force. F1 how much? F2 how much? F3 how much? So from here, you can determine force in the strap. But for static, no need to determine this design. Design maybe you will study in third year, fourth year. Okay, fourth year, how to determine the force in strap. In design. For static, just only you determine how much force in F1, F2, F3, how much. Okay, right. Okay, for example, this another application for a spool of given weight. Okay, this spoon. Spoon. Okay, how will you find the force in cable? Okay, how much cable 8. Okay, this one. Okay, this one we call chain. 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 Okay. Okay, this cable, how much? You can determine. How much? Actually, you can determine by using static. Okay. If designing, okay, designing bar like this one, okay, this bar, is in designing. Okay. You need to know the force to make sure the region does not fail. So this in design. Just for static, you need to determine how much the force, in this cable only. Okay, alright. Okay, this free body diagram. This one free body diagram. Okay, this one we call free body diagram. Okay. In Malay we call badan jasad bebas. Badan jasad bebas. Okay, free body diagram. Badan jasad bebas. Okay. Another one. Same procedure, same problem in static. You need to determine how much force in this cable. Okay, in this cable. Okay, in this cable. Okay. Okay, alright. How to solve now? The question to you, how to solve now? Okay, for example, this one. For example, in this an example 2D or coplanar, okay, for system, if the whole assembly is in equilibrium, then the particle A, this ring, so we assume particle, okay, we assume particle is also equilibrium. To determine the tension, T tension, a symbol of T tension, or force, okay, force in the cable for a given weight of cylinder. So they're giving to you weight. You need to learn how to draw, okay, how to draw free body diagram. So free body diagram. So FBD, and apply the equation of equilibrium. So apply of equation of equilibrium. So we state the symbol is EOE. Equation of equilibrium, EOE. Free body diagram, FBD. Okay, BD. So these two learning knowledge, you need to know how to draw free body diagram, how to use equation of equilibrium. From that, what is equation of equilibrium? What is equation of equilibrium? Apakah persamaan keseimbangan? And then second is how to use. Bagaimana nak guna equation ni? Penting ni. So first, you need to know how to draw free body diagram. Okay. Free body diagram. Second, what is equation of equilibrium? Equation of equilibrium. Third, how to use. Okay, how to use. Very important. How to use. Okay, this three knowledge. Okay, you must to know. Okay, you must to know. Okay, you must to know. This knowledge you will study in chapter 3, chapter 5, chapter 6, okay, chapter 7. Okay, 4 chapter. 4 chapter you will use same formula. This formula, chapter 3, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7. Chapter 5 is equilibrium of a rigid body. Chapter 6 structure. Chapter 7 is friction. Okay, friction. You will use these three knowledge. Okay, alright. Any question? Ada soalan tak? So ada soalan?
Tak
Tak
ada.
ada doktor. Tak ada.
Okay, alright. So we continue. We continue. Okay, now, okay, alright. The what, why, and how of a free body diagram. Okay, right. Free body diagram are one of the most important thing for you know how to draw and use for static and other subject. Other subject that means static. Now you static. Yeah. Other object is dynamic. Dynamic next. Dynamic next. Next semester. Dynamic next semester in solid mechanic. Okay, next semester. So next semester as a subject. Okay, external force acting on the particle. Okay, for example, you have particle. So same what we study just now. You have particle, so you have cable F1. F1. Maybe you have F2. Okay, maybe so this one axis is X. This one is axis Y. So they have angle here. So they have F2. Maybe here they have another force F3, for example. Okay. So axis here, angle here. So this one is external force. For example, external force acting on the particle. Why? Okay. It is key to being able to write the equation of equilibrium. Okay, which are used to solve the unknown. You need to determine force in tension in cable. They use force or angle. Okay, they giving you angle. So this is important. Important for you. You must know how to draw free body diagram. Some student they solve the problem. They not draw free body diagram. Not draw free body diagram. Okay, but they calculate. They get answer. Get answer, and then answer is correct. So I giving mark only maybe half. Not full mark. Maybe the full mark is 10 mark. If you calculate, you get the answer, correct answer, but no free body diagram. So you mark maybe 7, maybe 5 only. If you draw free body diagram, if you draw free body diagram, you show equation and you calculate, you get the answer, you get full mark. Okay, you get full mark. Okay, this is a problem. Some student. Why you need to draw free body diagram? Actually, you can on the formula. Okay, very important very important. It will be engineer. Okay, for example, you as engineer, you need to design lift. Lift. You have building maybe 10 level. 10 level. So you as engineer, you need to design the lift. How much the speed lift? What the motor size you need to use? How much the cable size you need to use? Okay. So you design. You design. Uh, you must draw free body diagram first. You sketch. You draw free body diagram. You sketch, then lift, and then from the sketch you write down the force acting at the you design, lift, cable, motor, everything. From that you can calculate how much the size of cable, how much speed you need to use for the lift. Okay, so very important. Okay, very important. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. Okay, right. Okay, how? Okay, then this one step to draw free body diagram. Image the particle to be solid or cut free from its surrounding. Okay, you for example you cut here. For example, this object you cut here. You cut here. Okay, cut. So you draw. This one free body diagram. This one is free body diagram. So when you cut, you show the force. This one you show the particle point here. Just point here. If you show the force FB, FD, so you give it the name. For example, this B here, B. So you put the FB, okay, B, giving the name. So here FD, so FD from D. So you put FD here, okay. Maybe here C weight. So you put FC. Okay. Show all the force that are on the particle. This one. Show all the force FB, FD, FC. So the axis X, axis Y. So axis very important. So identify each force and show all no magnitude and direction. Direction you must show. Okay, this direction. Okay, right. Okay. When you draw, example, so you using the equation of equilibrium. Okay, you using equation of equilibrium. So this one equation of equilibrium. SB, FC, FD equal to 0. Okay, FD, FB, FC, FD equal to 0. So F equal to 0. Submission F equal to 0. Okay, this one formula. Your formula actually. In general, for particle in equilibrium, for example, okay, you can write I for axis X written in scalar form. So Fx equal to 0. Okay, Fy equal to 0. Okay. This one. So from this one, from this one, summation F equal to 0. So actually they have summation Fx equal to 0, Fy equal to 0. This one we call equation of equilibrium. Okay, easy to remember. This one for 2D only. This one for 2D. This one for 2D. This one for 2D. 2D. Okay, 2D. If you study 3D, so summation, you have another equation. Summation F, what F? what F? What F? Fz Fz equal to 0. So you study equation F summation F equal to 0. You study F equal to 0. What the theory from that? Is it maybe what we call apa? Saja orang kata apa? Saja tulis sonok tulis. What you call? Saja kata ada saja nak tulis lah. Tulis tak? What tak? Why you not write down what you call T for example T equal to 0. Boleh tak? Is it true? B equal to 0. Is it true? Why you write down F equal to 0? Actually come from what? This formula. This theory come from Newton first law. Newton
First law.
First law. Newton first law. This one theory from Newton first law. So this one Newton first law. What is Newton? They have three equation. Three law. First law, second law, third law. Okay, actually in static you will use first law and third law. Second law, what is second law? What the equation? Second law. What equation? Ingat? You remember?
Yes, sir. Second law, F equal MA.
Okay, F equal to MA. Okay, this one is second law. So third law?
W equal to MG.
W equal to MG. Okay, alright. If we write F equal to negative F as that lah. F equal to negative F. Mg equal to F1. Mg, when you calculate G kilogram, calculate G gravity kan. So you get the F . So F equal to negative F. First, second law, third law, first law, ST, so FT kan. FT, F equal to 0. So you must know the equation. So this one you study in static. Third law also in static. Okay, this one second law in dynamic. Okay, next semester you study in dynamic motion kan. Dynamic that mean motion motion. So motion F equal to MA. Alright so don't worry. This one next semester. Okay, right. So now this formula you must remember. Okay, back to our jam. Okay, alright. So back to our slide. So this formula you must remember. Just remember summation Fn equal to 0, Fy equal to 0. So for 2D and 3D summation, you just add summation Fz equal to 0. This formula you must remember. Okay, you must remember. Okay, you must remember summation. Okay, if we have time, we go to 3D after this class. After this slide. If we have time, if we not announce that time, maybe next week Okay, we go to 3D. Okay, right. So now you have no question of from using the equation of equilibrium, so you can determine summation effect so the arrow. So you assume this way is positive, this way is positive. So equal to 0. So equation number 1, equation number 1 lah. This one equation number 2. So from this equation by mathematics solve, you can determine. So FB equal to, you get the answer. FD equal to, you get the answer. So if you get the answer is positive, so this way this way positive. For FD actually, okay, FD you get answer, you get the answer positive. Okay, you get the answer from here, then I'll show to you. Okay, so you get the answer. Okay, you get the answer from two equation by mathematics solve, you get the answer. FB and FD. Okay, right. This one important using right. Alright, so until here, any question? Ada soalan?
Yang arrow tu untuk apa je?
Arrow ni, arrow nah yang sini ke arrow yang sini?
Yang jawapan gitu.
Oh, okay. Arrow, you get the answer positive. So this way this way. This way, FB, what is B? Okay, your answer is positive. Your answer is positive now. Positive, so this way, we assume this way. Okay, so your answer is positive. So this way, FD, yeah, this way, positive. Actually,
Tapi kalau arah kiri tu kan negatif. Kenapa?
Okay. If you calculate this way, you assume this way, because cable this way, cable this way. Okay. 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 This cable this way. This cable also this way. But your answer is positive. Positive. So this way, this way. If you from this equation, you assume this way is positive. This way is positive. So your answer FD maybe negative lah. FB negative. So you just kita awak kalau awak assume arah sini positif, buat equation dia kan, ini positif, nanti awak akan dapat kat jawapan tu negatif nanti ni. Negatif. Jadi awak kali balik. Buang dia punya apa, awak dapat jawapan tu kata 785 Newton. 85 negatif Newton. So the answer is 785 Newton arah sini. Okay. Arah sini lah. Arah sini. Buang warna negatif ni. Buang negatif. Tunjuk arah sini. Mana dia bukan arah, dia bukan arah sini lah. Tengok kabel kan. Kabel apa arah sini kan. Arah sini. Awak assume kat sini arah ni positif. Jadi awak akan dapat sini negatif ni lagi. Okey lah. Tapi kalau awak assume sini positif, okey, FD awak akan dapat positif lah. Memang jawapan dia positif pun. Jawapan because we call vector. Then no negative, only positive lah. Okay, vector kan. On just negative to show the direction only. The direction only. Negative. Negative show direction only. Actually force no negatif lah. Force tak ada negatif. Yang negatif tu maksudnya direction. Kita nak tunjuk kat dia direction saja. Arah mana kan? Arah mana? Okay, alright. Any question? Ada soalan lain?
So, Doctor, when we put the arrow on the negative side, we don't need to put the negative sign.
If you, for example, you calculate, you get the answer in negative. So okay, for example, this example, okay, for example, you calculate, you get the negative. So you delete negative, we just put the arrow. This mean. For example, you use this way a positive. So summation fx equal to 0 if equal to 0. So this one they have okay, b is b. So fd. So what you get the equation. So this one fb sine cos. This one fb fbn. Fb cos 30. This one SB sine 30. Okay. Okay, now you assume this way is positive. You assume you do the formula summation fx equal to 0. Assume this way is positive. For example, you assume. So what in question what will happen? So fd minus fb. fb cos 30. Sorry, cos 30 ya. Sorry. Okay, cos 30. So equal to 0. So if you transfer so fd equal to fb cos 30 ya. Cos 30. So you get the answer positive because only two question. If you many equation, maybe you get the answer is negative maybe. So if you answer is negative, so you just cancel the negative, put the arrow. The arrow is this way. Okay, for example, because this cable this way kan. You must know the cable. Okay, alright. You understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Just simple example, simple problem. Maybe we will use next problem. Maybe you can see the negative positive arrow. Alright. Okay, this one is sprint. Okay, sprint. So actually in equilibrium in this chapter maybe they have sprint, they have ring, for example ring, cable here, cable connect here, okay, cable connect here. Okay, cable. Cable connect here. Okay, this cable lah. This ring lah, ring. Another is pulley. Okay, pulley. You know pulley? Takal. In Malay we call
Yes.
takal.
Kan.
Okay, pulley. This one pulley. So they have cable here. So mesh here, mesh. So another force. Another force lah. Force here, force A. For example, FA. So okay. So what you can see from here, this spring, this one spring lah. This spring, this is ring. Okay, ring. Ring. This one is pulley. Okay, pulley. P L L Y. EY. Yeah, EY. Pulley ya, pulley. So okay, for spring okay, spring force constant, spring constant, it means K, okay. Deformation of spring, S, S is deformation of spring. When you give the force, you pull, so they have extend. So from LO, we have force. There is no force. When you give in the force, so they increase. They increase length. So L minus LO equal to S. This S is deformation, pemanjangan lah. Displacement. In Malay we call pemanjangan. Pemanjangan. So F equal to FK. This another formula. Okay. K is spring constant. We call coefficient of spring. Coefficient of spring. In Malay we call perkali spring. Okay. So the different spring they have different K. Different K. Different K to make sure they have different S. K is high, K is highest, so S is small. Okay. K is small, S is highest. Spring, okay, spring lembut, S panjang tak? S banyak tak? Kalau spring tu lembut, spring is soft, easy to pull. So S is high, high. So K is small, it means K is small, small K. If difficult to pull, that means the K is high. So what about S? S is small. Okay. Faham tak? You understand? Kalau
Yes, doctor.
if K tu kecil, K tu lembut. So lembut, S banyak lah. S banyak lah. Boleh tarik panjang. Yang aku if K tu tinggi, that means spring tu orang kata macam keras lah. Spring tu keras. Susah nak tarik. Difficult to pull. So S is small lah. But K is high. Okay, right. So this one theory theory of spring theory of spring. But you must just you remember F equal to KS. K times S. F spring K times S. This one you must remember. Remember just.
Doctor,
Yeah.
you mean if K is a high number, it is difficult to pull, right?
Yeah, betul. Yeah, correct.
Thank you.
K is constant, not constant. Coefficient. There's a few video for K. For K spring for car and lorry. You know car kan? Car you drive car and sprint for lorry. Okay, it's different. Okay, different lah. Because car only how few a few kilogram kan, a few kilogram weight you when you have weight a few kilogram. But lorry a few ton lah. Different lah. Okay. Okay, alright. Just you remember this one. This one. Okay, alright. Another one. Okay. If you see here, this one F1, this one F2, this one F3. Okay. The rain. You see here, rain here, rain. So F1 not same. Not same. F2 not same. F3 not same F3 because the rain this another force this one another force, this one another force. But for pulley you see here, so if I cut here for example I cut here, so they have another force for here. So F1 FA for example FA maybe F1, so one is FB FB put B here, just B here. So F1 FA for pulley FA equal to what? Equal or same? Equal or not equal? FA equal to FB. Okay, this one for pulley. FA equal to FB for pulley. For ring, FA F1. Maybe maybe you can put A, B or C. So FA not equal to FB, not equal to FC. You have another pulley. For example, you have a few pulley. For example, okay. For example, you have this pulley 1, pulley 2, pulley 3. So you have cable here, mesh here, so here, so here. So if you pulley 1, pulley 2, pulley 3. So they have tension in cable, tension in cable, okay, tension in cable, tension in this cable, tension. So tension in this cable. So if I put maybe I put here F1, F2, F3. So this one F4. So what you can write down now. So F1 no, same or not? Same or not? Same F1 same F2 same F3 same F4. Okay, right. Because pulley is ring different. If ring different, is ring different. If pulley, okay, same. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. So any question? Any question? Ada soalan tak?
No, doctor.
No, doctor.
Okay, alright. So we proceed. Okay. So cable. So this one pulley okay. But with the frictionless, we assume the friction no friction here. So T1 equal to T2. For example, F1 F1, F2, okay, F2 same okay, right. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, for example, we try to do the example. Okay, now you see here. This is a pulley or ring here. This one. Point A.
Ring.
Not spring, not pulley. This is ring, ring. Okay, this cable 1, cable 2, cable 3 So giving book with mesh with okay, this one they convert from kilogram they convert to Newton so from kilogram to convert to Newton just if they're giving to you kilogram, how to convert to Newton? Just multiply by 9.81 yes. So you multiply you get the Newton. And geometry is show okay. The force in find the force in the rope cable AB and AC. Okay, plan. They show to you. Okay, plan. First, draw free body diagram for point A. Apply equation of equilibrium to solve the force in. Okay, how to draw free body diagram? So we just study just now. So this point A. So this one. So this one, you put the axis Y. Okay. This one axis X. So this one is cable AC. You can put name. Maybe you put up to you. FC only. FC. The angle, then they give an angle, they give ratio. So ratio is 3, 4, 5. Right. So another one is another cable. So if I cut here and I cut here. So here. Okay, right. I cut here. Okay. So this one is angle. Given to you angle 30 degree. So F what? FB can you put the name? Maybe you need to put FAB. Okay, no problem. You just put F2. Okay, no problem. A1 F1. Okay, but you understand Understand. You understand this. For me, I put FB B, and then weight. So the weight is 5 Newton. So you draw free body diagram. Tukar color pen boleh tak? Pen. Dekat color. Saya tak tahu kat mana nak boleh tukar color ni, kat mana. Tak apalah. So FC, you must resolve to component kan. So this one is component. So this one is what? FC component FC 4/5. Okay. Another component, this one. So this one is 3 FC FC 3/5. Correct? For FB, so they have another component. Okay, this one what? FB cos 30. Another component, same line lah. Line yang sama, atas this inline, this y axis, they have two force lah. They have two force. They have two component force. So this one is FB sin 30. Okay, right. Okay. Okay. So now using equation of equilibrium. Okay. Using equation of equilibrium. Okay. Okay. Submission because 2D kan. This one 2D. Okay, 2D. Submission Fx equal to 0. Okay. Fx equal to 0. Submission Fy equal to 0. Okay, alright. Okay, submission. Okay, here. Submission. Sorry ya. Ada saya beli pen baru ni. Saya beli pen. Dia punya table kan. Table tu nak tulis ni. Tapi bila tulis tu dia lari. Dah tak pakai tu. Saya pakai yang mouse senang orang kata cepat lagi. Tu jadi lambat. Lepas tu kadang-kadang dia terbalik. Susah tu. Ada table kan. Table drawing tu. Susah lah. Dan saya pakai yang kaedah ni lah, kaedah pakai mouse. Okay, submission, you assume submission Fx equal to 0. So you assume this way lah, you assume this way positive lah. Okay, this way positive. This way positive kan, this way. What you have now? You have what equation? You have FC 4/5 minus F cos 30 jadi tak elok. Cos 30 equal to 0. Ada any two only in direct direction, they have only two only. So okay, question number 1. Okay, so another one is submission Fy equal to 0. So you show this one, you assume this one is positive. Okay, positive. What you have now? You have FC 3/5. Okay, another one, FB plus same way FB sin 30. So minus of W. So W is 550. So equal to 0. So equation number 2. You have two equation number 1, equation number 2. So you solve by mathematics by mathematics the simple equation you solve by mathematics in Malay we call persamaan sontak. Kalau bahasa Inggeris kita panggil apa? Saya tak ingat lah. Equation of kita ingat nama tu. Macam tu lah. This one from mathematics you can solve. You can solve from here. You can determine FC how much? FC how much? How much? And FB how much? Just from mathematics from mathematics. Okay. So this one free body diagram. So what I draw here, this one is free body diagram. This one is free body diagram. So this one is free body diagram. Free body diagram. From free body diagram, we write down the formula. Okay. You understand diagram? This one free body diagram. From free body diagram, we write down the formula. Okay. From here, you can know this one is positive, this one is negative. So that's why it's very important draw free body diagram. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, this one is from here you draw free body diagram. This one free body diagram, and then from here you apply equation of equilibrium. Apply equation of equilibrium. Okay, summation F equal to 0. Okay, this and equation number 1. Okay, summation Fy equal to 0. Summation number 2. Okay, summation number 2. Okay, alright. So from here, solving the above equation from mathematics. By mathematics you can determine. Okay, okay, right. So finish. That's your answer until here. Okay, right. So any question? Any question? So any question?
No, doctor.
So try to do it again. Try to do it again after class. After this class, you try do it again. Okay, try by your own. You try again. Try again. Do it from zero. Do it from free body diagram. You write down the equation and then you calculate. Okay. Try to do it. Okay. So this one, if you want to try, you try. If not, it's no problem. This one group problem. Not enough our time. If we want, we can do it. Maybe next class. Okay. Maybe you can do it by your own. So I want to show to you. They have ring. This one ring. So this point D, point C. So that means you have two free body diagram. Point D, another free body diagram. Point C, another free body diagram. Okay. You have two free body diagram. Free body diagram number 1. Diagram number 1. Free body diagram number 2. Okay. From here you can solve the question. From here you can solve how much the force in this cable. Okay, how much cable? Okay, this cable. How much? Okay, maybe next week we try to solve. Okay. This one. So this one point D. Point D. This one from point D here. Okay, it's free body diagram. From point D, you can solve F D E and you can determine E. Okay, using the equation, same equation, and then you can solve FDE and FDC. So you go to net free body diagram. Point C. This one point C. Point C here. This one point C. So this one FDC. FDC you determine from free body diagram number 1. Free body diagram number 1. From here. This one. FD FCD, this one. You can hear me here. Okay, some more. Okay. So FDC here. FDC. Okay, same lah. This one same lah. Same video. Potong. Okay. So from here you have another free body diagram. So from here you can determine FAC and FDBC. This one you get from free body diagram number 1. Okay. So you can solve. Okay, right. Okay. Any question? Try to do it. Try to do it by yourself. Try to do it. Try cuba buat balik. Buat balik yang ni. Simple lah, easy. This question simple, easy.
Sebelum group problem solving punya slide ni, sebelum tu ada slide concept questions tu kan.
Concept
Tolong sebelum
ni kan?
bukan, lagi satu. Yang ni. Boleh tak?
Ni. Try to do it. This is simple. Just to get to additional knowledge lah. Okay. This one pulley kan, pulley. This one pulley. Okay, pulley. This one pulley. This one pulley. This one pulley. The weight is same. The weight is same now. Same. But the pulley is the cable. The cable show you this one is okay. Parallel. This one, this cable they have angle. You see they have angle here. Maybe how much? I don't know how much. They have angle here. Okay, maybe 30, maybe 40, whatever. Okay, this one as a angle. Maybe this one 30, maybe this one maybe 20, maybe 20 degree. Okay, maybe 20 degree. Okay, this cable. Okay, assume you know the geometry of the rope. You cannot determine the force in the cable in which system above. You cannot determine the force in the cable in which system above. Okay, actually if using the equation of equilibrium, this you can get the answer. You can get the answer how much? Okay, alright. Okay, this maybe force 1, F1, maybe F2, But this one you can solve. I say you can solve. But different answer. Different answer. This F1. Maybe F1 and F2. F2. F this one maybe the answer is 50 Newton. This F1 maybe 70 Newton. For example, the answer is not same. Not same by this picture and this picture. Why? Because this is parallel. This one they have angle. This one also different. There's another angle. Why? This one they say to you why? Is too heavy? No. Weight is same. The cable too thin? No. The cable is same now. No, different is not. It's wrong. They are more unknown than equation. No. There are too few cable there are too few cable for 100 Newton weight. No, they have only 2 cable. One is cable 1, cable 2, cable 1, cable 2. But the answer is why different now? Different is because it is parallel. It is angle. This another angle. That's why is the answer is not same. Yes. just to get knowledge lah. Okay, right. Any question?
Kiranya yang nombor 1 tu jawapan dia
So
tak ada jawapan tu.
jawapannya yang tulis tadi, yang saya beritahu tadi lah. F1, F2, they have another answer, but this one F1, F2 another answer. Mana F1, S1, F1A kan? This A, one for A lah. For A, this one B. This one for B, this one for C. So this one F1 lah, F1. So F1 A not same lah, not same. Not same. F1 F1B not same. F1 F1C. Okay, dia your answer. This is your answer. Dia soalan ni soalan kita kata concetus idea, just to get your idea. Okay, right. Your idea. You just show to you understand or not. You understand or not.
Okay, terima kasih Prof.
Okay, right. Okay, try to do it. Try to do the equation by your own. Okay, this simple mathematics. Okay. If no question, so next week we continue 3D 3D. Now just 2D. Next week on Thursday we have 3D. Okay, so thank you very much. So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Terima
Dr. Thank
kasih.
you so much.
Waalaikumsalam. Terima kasih.